Akkam jirtu ilmaan Oromoo nagaa fayyaa keessanii guyyaa kaleessaa isteetmentii dhaabbilee siyaasaa Oromootiin wal qabatanii paartiin biyya bulchaa jiru ergaa tokko baasuun isaanii yaadatamaa. Ergaan sun ergaa kijibaa fi paartiilee maqaan isaanii hin jirreen mootummaan mataa isaa diraamaa akka uummata Oromoo irratti dalagaa jiruu fi paartiileen siyaasaa Oromoo biyya keessa socho'an mormii garaagaraa dhageessan kan jedhu ture. Kana wajjin wal qabatee paartii tokkocha malee paartiileen achi jiran sun hundi isaanuu yookaan kan du'an yookaan kan hin jirre akka ta'an ibseen ture. Kanaaf ergaa kanaan wal qabatee warri ODF warri biyya alaa jiraattonni biyya alaa isteetmentii tokko baasanii jiranii. Isteetmentiin sun Ingiliffaanii isteetmentiin sun gara sagaleetti deebi'ee akka isinii dhiyaatu ta'ee jira. Kanaaf isteetmentii kana dhaggeeffadhaa. Sheer godhaa. ODF hin jiru dhaaba dissolve ta'e takkaa'uu kan du'e ta'uu isaa kanarraa hubattu. Kanaaf statementiin kun statementii kiyya osoo hin taane statementii isaaniiti. Itti dhiyaadha.
Last night, May 8th, 2020, I came live to expose the fake statement posted and shared by the media outlet called Auden owned the former OPDO, which is now ruled and owned by so-called prosperous political party ruling the country. Auden posted and shared this statement by fake and non-existing or dead political organization except one party that is now working in many branches of security for the existing government with Abiy Ahmed. The statement below is the response by former members and founders of the ADF residing in the diaspora, which is led by Lencho. The statement below is the response by former members and founders of the ADF residing in the diaspora, which is led by Lencho Lada. ADF says it is dead. Accept to organize and say it is dead. The statement below is posted by ADF. Please listen and share with others. The statement below is the response by former members and founders of the ADF residing in the diaspora, which is led by Lencho Lada. ADF says it is dead. Accept to organize and say it is dead. The statement below is posted by ADF. Please listen and share with others. ADF Oromo Democratic Front Statement of the Diaspora. Former Oromo Democratic Front ADF founders and members. We, former diaspora members and founders of the now defunct Oromo Democratic Front ADF, would like to inform the Oromo public that ADF has been disbanded more than a year ago. Thus, anyone using our former name and logo does not, in any way, form or shape represent the mission and vision of our former organization, which was the realization of a genuine multinational democratic federation in Ethiopia. It is to be remembered, and it is in the public domain, that our former organization was the first organization to relocate back home from its diaspora base, to be among our people for a peaceful political struggle, and to support the political change that was taking place precisely 2 years ago in May 2018. From our inception, our objectives were to defend the human rights and dignity of the Oromo and other peoples in Ethiopia and secure their equality, freedom, and justice for all through peaceful political struggle. Soon after our arrival, we held several consultations with our people and the ruling party on how best we can support the once-in-a-generation political reform opportunity brought about by huge sacrifices of the Oromo, Keros and Kars to take root. We made relentless efforts to engage the Ethiopian public in general and the Oromos in particular. We helped organize a national conference on political reform with the hope of creating national consensus for a new social and political contract in Ethiopia. Through our numerous listening sessions and consultations with our people, we affirmed our people only wanted one thing from us: unity amongst Oromo political organizations for genuine cooperation. We heeded their call and agreed to spearhead this mission and lead by example. With this priority at hand, the ADF leadership held its last meeting in Finfani in late November 2018 and discussed two options: dissolve the ADF as an organization and cease to exist, or merge with other Oromo political organization with similar objectives. After 2 days of intense deliberations, we chose the latter. The leadership agreed in principle to merge with the then ODP. To complete the merger, we established a core group, and several attempts were made on our part to complete the merger. Unfortunately, our agreement to merge with the ODP did not materialize due to internal squabbles within ODP and their merger with other political forces to pursue a political objective which is absolutely contrary and detrimental to the ODF's political aim of realizing a multinational democratic federation in which genuine self-rule and shared rule, equality, freedom, justice and the rule of law reign. As a result, our organization tacitly defaulted to the first option, to cease to exist as an organization. To our dismay, we saw a comical statement issued supposedly by Oromo political organizations, some of whom we haven't even heard before, and in which our former name was listed as a signatory in support of the ruling party's illegitimate attempt to stay in power past their constitutional mandate. What is puzzling to us is, our organization has been dissolved and our dissolution has been reported in many media outlets, and our sudden rise from the dead to give legitimacy to a dying regime. We have been observing some former leaders of our former organization serving as senior advisors to the regime and appearing in international media making a mockery out of the misery of our people. We assumed their participation in meetings of opposition parties called by the regime were on their personal capacity, and not in the name of our former organization that ceased to exist with no office or officials. We, the former members and founders of the ODF residing in the diaspora, unequivocally disavow anyone who attempts to use the name ODF as if the organization exists to give credence to anyone, be it the state or political entity. At the same time, we strongly condemn the current regime's attempt to reverse the political gains of the Oromo and the other oppressed peoples of Ethiopia and to revert back to the defunct dark days of imperial Ethiopia. We would also like to use this opportunity to reaffirm our strong stand with our people's just struggle for self-determination, equality, justice, and human dignity. Freedom and justice for all.